Behold, the long-awaited prototype of the 100% pure Protea wood pocket watch concept, showcasing the gorgeous Protea pattern, Protea pod pattern. Housing has been made out of Protea wood itself, and it houses the 100% mechanical movement, cheap Chinese for prototyping, but still very cool to look at. Little synthetic jeweled bearings inside there. I will be improving that movement as time goes by to get the diameter or the thickness down. And there you have it. Is the face, hinge made out of Protea wood, and everything is 100% Protea. The back plate also Protea, revealing the innards. Not bad for cheap Chinese movement. I mean, in terms of eye candy and whatnot. Very, very cool. But a bit thick, a bit on the thick side, and we'll be changing that in the future. But for now, version 1.1 of pocket watch. The idea is to get it thin enough to look like a pendant, because these Proteas make great pendants, but to have a surprise behind there. Oh wow, you can tell the time. And it's got an awesome little sound to it. Tick tock, tick 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 tick. So that's it. Version 1.1 done.